It's WHRV's Morning Edition and Thursday, which means it's the day that we get together to talk about all of the local events, happenings, goings-on, things to do around town this weekend with CanDO Plus.
Hey, that's my name.
From the Contemporary Arts Network, who joins us each and every week and puts this entire list together, which we'll tell you about how you can get involved with in just a few minutes. So before we get going, how's the week been going, my friend? How are you doing?
I've had an interesting week.
Oh,
I don't want to put a damper on anybody's parade, so I won't tell you about it.
I apologize. We promised we weren't going to talk about our week because CanDO has not had the best of them. But what we do have the best of is an events list. And it has been warm, and then it cools off again. You got the puffy jacket out. It's back to shorts. So while the weather kind of figures out what it's going to do, CanDO Plus is going to roll into the first event, which is holiday themed. But what will the temperature be like?
That's right. And I'm going to take my Stay Puft marshmallow jacket to the 4th annual Whimsical Winter Wonderland. And this is going to be Saturday, November 22nd. And it's going to be noon to 5 p.m. at the Hampton Coliseum over in Hampton. Now, this is a family-friendly holiday celebration with roaming characters, face painting, carnival-style games, and seasonal entertainment that turns the Coliseum into a playful winter pop-up. Now, this one's going to be free to attend and full of kid-focused activities and photo moments. So don't be surprised if you see me trying to get some Freddy Krueger makeup going on there for the holiday season.
Yeah, I'd say nothing says the holidays more than a Freddy Krueger face painting job.
Exactly.
So, yeah.
You get me, Chuck.
You've never been to Thanksgiving at CanDO's house. You don't know. So I'm definitely in the holiday spirit. Let's keep that going. You've got something else on the list.
All right, we got the Holiday Craft Show. This is Saturday, November 22nd from 10 a.m. to 5 p.m. And it's going to be Sunday, November 23rd from 11 a.m. to 4 p.m. This is at the Chesapeake Conference Center over in Chesapeake. This is a large indoor market showcasing local artisans, handmade goods, and food vendors. So this could be great for holiday shopping with free parking and family-friendly browsing.
I actually went to this last year at the Chesapeake Conference Center. And
really?
I got to tell you, you can knock out so many people's gifts at that place. You know, like people you work with, coworkers and aunts and uncles, things like that. It is a one-stop deal for the Holiday Craft Show in Chesapeake.
Ah, okay. I like the idea of that. Okay, cool.
I'm telling you, you heard it here. So, all right, for our next event, we're going to head over to Virginia Beach. We have kind of a historical reopening of sorts to talk about and a local landmark. So, CanDO, what's up there?
This is the Francis Land House, and it's going to be Sunday, November 16th from noon to 4 p.m. And this is for the grand reopening. Regular, free guided tours are going to resume after the reopening.
All right, Francis Land House is back open.
This is the restored historic house, and it reopens with artisan demos.
Very cool.
We got hearth cooking by the fire.
Okay, yeah. I mean, sometimes you want to cook on the open flame.
This is going to be following the reopening, and the site will offer free guided tours as a part of the Virginia Beach Historic Museums program.
So that's Francis Land House in Virginia Beach this weekend. You can go to Google for more information. And I want to remind everyone as well, for CanDO, we are getting a huge influx of entries into this, and we've even expanded CanDO to the weekends, to the weekend community calendar on WHRV. But please, with that influx, we ask that you do the following.
You take your influx capacitor and you go to CanDO at WHRO.org, because that's where you send us the emails at.
Yeah, and we do ask for 2 weeks in advance. So CanDO, CANDO at WHRO.org. So you'll also be included in the WHRO newsletter, which goes out to about 100,000 people. So we just do this for free as community give back. You don't have to pay anything. We're public media. That's how this thing works. So for our last event, CanDO, what's it all about?
Yep, we got Winter Whimsy. This is going to be Tuesday, November 25th, and it runs through December 31st. The typical hours are 11 a.m. to 8 p.m. This is at the Hampton Carousel in downtown Hampton. This is a holiday-themed carousel takeover with seasonal decorations, music, and family-friendly ride experiences throughout the season. It's a small festive stop, great for families and photos.
Yeah, support your holiday fix leading up to the big month. So we're out of time. CanDO Plus, thanks so much for stopping by. Till next week.
Later, guys.
Thanks for your continued support of CanDO and public media. This is WHRV's Morning Edition.